Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix WAN 9003 error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here on search, you just need to right client, right click on it, open file location. Then here again, right click on it, open file location, then you should find right client services.exe. Then right click again, properties, compatibility, make sure to select Windows 8 and run this compatibility mode for Windows 8 and run this program as administrator. Then go to Riot Games, and then here you should see Valorant folder. I have on different disks, so I will show you right here. But for you should be Valorant folder, and after Valorant folder, you just need to press live, and you should find Valorant.exe. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, and do the same here. Then what you need to do here is to go to system information. On system information, you need to look your, as you can see here, your BIOS mode should be UEFI, and then your secure boot should be on. And I will show you if it's off and this is wrong, I will show you what you need to do here. So first you need to enter the BIOS mode. And to do so, easiest way is to go to settings, then you need to go to Windows Update, then go to advanced options, then go to recovery, and then advanced startup and restart now. And then you just need to wait for a couple of seconds until your computer restarts and you will be in the booth, in the BIOS, right? And then you should end up on this window here. Then you need to go to troubleshoot, advanced options. Then you need to go to UEFI firmware settings and then press restart and wait for a couple of seconds. Then you should end up on secure boot, and then you just need to go to advanced mode. For you, it can be a little bit different. Then you need to go to boot, and then here you need to look for CSM and make sure its CSM should be disabled, right? And then go to secure boot, select this option here, and make sure secure boot is enabled, should be active, and then secure boot mode should be standard. And then save the changes, save and exit, and your problem should be fixed.